Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this look I created using the brand new Anastasia Norvina palette. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this palette and also how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, and then I buffed it out with a damp beauty sponge, and I did set it with a little bit of translucent powder. And then for my brow bone highlight, I went ahead and picked up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13, and I'm just applying that onto my brow bone. I just personally love a highlighted brow bone for most of my looks, so I'm just doing that step before using the palette. And then here's the palette. The Anastasia Norvina palette. The packaging is really beautiful. I love the lavender on the front, but this packaging does get really dirty really quickly, so just keep that in mind. So this is the palette here. These are all of the colors that come in the palette, and I was very drawn to this palette because I love the transition colors and I love all the metallic shades that this palette has to offer. And I don't know, these colors are just super unique, and I really haven't had that much of a problem with any of the Anastasia palettes in the past, so I was pretty excited to try this palette. But I will give you guys my first impression as this tutorial goes on so that you guys can see the colors in action. So this is the first shade that I'm picking up. It's called Love, and to be honest, this formula is very powdery, so if you aren't a fan of the previous Anastasia palettes that were powdery, then you probably won't be a fan of this one. But nonetheless, it was still a pretty color and I was still able to blend it into my crease. So I'm just applying that shade into my crease here. So Passion is the next shade that I'm picking up, which is just a brown eyeshadow. And I'm picking this up with an angled brush, and I'm going to start to add definition to my outer crease. And I'm just bringing this about halfway in, and I'm just going in left and right motions and keeping that above my natural lid crease. Now to blend that line out, I picked up a pencil brush, and first I went in with some of that first transition shade called Love, and then I went into a little bit of that Passion shade to help me diffuse that line. And I just went in left and right motions, first with a pencil brush and then with a slightly fluffier brush, and just going in really small circular motions from left to right, keeping that shade pretty low. And then with my Bobbi Brown concealer blending brush and some Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, I did cut my lid. And if you are going to be using some of the metallic shades in this palette, I highly recommend that you cut your lid and you apply glitter glue to your lid, because if this metallic shade gets in the crease, you will not be able to get it out, and it will transfer, I find, when I used it. So I highly recommend spraying your brush with some Fix Plus, applying glitter glue, and applying it a little bit lower than your crease so that it does not touch your crease. Then I picked up some of that Passion shade and my pencil brush, and I'm just starting to add depth to the outer corner. And then I did want to use a few other shades in this palette, so I just decided to pick up Wild Child and just pat that on the center of my lid. And that shade was kind of lacking pigmentation, to be honest, but I still think that it added a nice touch to the look. And then I applied my Schwing liner by the Balm to create my wing. And then for my lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bell lashes in the style Jamaica. The link to purchase those lashes will be in the description box down below. And then I went into my Mr.Write liner by the Balm in my waterline. And then I'm just applying Love to my lower lash line and then applying Passion really closely to my waterline. And then I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then to finish off this look, I just went ahead and picked up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. I'm just applying that to my inner tear duct and onto my brow bone. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I will be uploading another tutorial using this palette so that you guys can see it being used in a different way. I did use a bunch of other different eyeshadows in this palette for my next look, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want to enter our monthly giveaway that we host every single month, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and turn on your post notifications. And then once all of that is finished, comment done in the comment section down below to be automatically entered. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!